And I met Seth and Dylan at the career fair. And I was like, if you guys are ever looking for a social media marketing intern, that girl. I'm Jennifer Howe. I'm a marketing major. I'm currently interning at Pigeon Cove for Men's in Gloucester. I enjoy buying from smaller companies like thrifting and supporting local businesses. It's really fresh to see a company that's transparent and is set on their mission goal. I try to focus on how Pigeon Cove wants to be known as a family-run business and keep it very Massachusetts and New England. Marketing is definitely trying to grab attention from the customers, the audience. So a lot of the conversation where it's just basic psychology, either that's color theory, how colors make us feel, or certain design that pulls us towards why we want to buy this Red Bull flavor. And it really sparked that maybe I want to do a minor in psychology at Endicott to learn more. I chose Endicott because of the Endicott Experiential Edge program. I am a strong believer that hands-on work is the best experience, it's the best opportunity to learn. I'm very much hands-on with my learning, so I thought not only will it give me experience in the future, but also let me know what I'm interested in, what I'm not. Definitely don't be afraid. I think the more you're afraid to do things in life, the less opportunities and doors you have. I've seen that firsthand with my parents. They came to America to find me good opportunities, and that's what I'm here to do.